Hi, everybody. We're going to talk about rates, distance, and time. And these types of problems always come out, um, always show up in real life, and they're very typically word problem sort of things. And they are based on rate, distance, and time having a relationship, which is that um, rate multiplied by time equals distance. And that is the main formula, the main equation you use for any of these types of problems. A rate is something like a speed or a velocity, um, like miles per hour or meters per second. Anything of that nature is a rate. So when you get a rate, you put it right there. Time is seconds, hours, minutes, whatever. You put that there. And a distance is a length of any sort. Um, so, for example, if I told you that, let's see here, let me make something up, that a spill is spreading in a circle at 3 inches per second. And I want to know, say, how long until the spill is, I don't know, 62 square inches in area. This is the type of thing that you would use to solve that. Your rate is 3 inches per second. Your time is the thing you're trying to figure out. That's your variable. And then you got to figure out your distance. And the way you figure out your distance is the fact that it's spreading in a circle, and the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So I would be able to figure out the radius for this given area, and that will give me the distance that I want to know, because that'll be from the center out to a side. So that means that pi r squared equals 62. I'll divide by pi, and so r squared will equal 62 over pi. And so let me go to a new page here. So we had r squared equaled 62 over pi. You have to excuse my dog in the background. So then the square root of r squared will be the square root of 62 over pi, which will give me that r equals, and then whatever the square root of 62 over pi is, I can put that into a calculator. And then, so this is my distance then, my radius, and this will be in inches. So then, distance equals rate times time, and my distance is square root of 62 over pi. My rate is 3 inches per second, and I'll be able to solve for time just by dividing by 3. Okay. These rate problems come in all sorts of weird sizes and shapes. If they tell you that it takes the same amount of time, and then they give you some weird formula like 16 over 7 plus r, something like that, and they give you another formula like 13 over 7 minus r, and they tell you that these are both times and that the times are the same, you can then set these equal to each other to solve. And honestly, the trick is that you got to read the problem really carefully to figure out how to set them up. So I hope that helps with rates and distance equals rate times time, and I will talk to you guys later.